To calculate the formal charge for each atom in XeF4 xenon tetrafluoride, we start with the correct Lewis structure. So you can see the fluorines, each one of those has 8 valence electrons. Its octet is full. But then we come to this central xenon atom where we have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 valence electrons around it. The elements in period 3 and below can have expanded octets. So xenon's okay. It can have 12 valence electrons. So what we want to do with formal charges to see if this Lewis structure makes sense, if it's the best or most favorable Lewis structure. So let's calculate the formal charges for this fluorine right here. Fluorine is in group 17, also called 7A, has 7 valence electrons, unbonded, 2, 4, 6, and then we're going to take half of the bonded. Those are the electrons shared between the fluorine and the xenon, and this line here, this bond, represents 2 shared electrons. So we're going to put a 2 here, and we have 7 minus 6 is 1, and 1 minus 1, that's 0. So for the fluorine, we have a formal charge of 0. And you can put zeros on each of these fluorines because they're identical, they're the same. For the xenon with these 12 valence electrons, let's count that up. We have xenon in group 8. It's a noble gas. It has 8 valence electrons. And we're going to subtract the unbonded valence electrons. We have 2, and then we have 2 more. So we have 4 of those. And then we'll subtract half of the bonded. And we have these 2, 4, 6, 8 bonded valence electrons. We add this up, 8 minus 4, that's 4. And then 4 minus 4 is 0. So the xenon has a formal charge of 0. When the formal charges are 0 or closest to 0, that's a good thing. That means that this Lewis structure is the best or most likely or most favorable Lewis structure. So that's it. Those are the formal charges for xenon tetrafluoride, XeF4. This is Dr. B, and thanks for watching.